Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes in the, what to do with your instant noodles. Yeah. But it also came in the mail, so. And we got Mimi with us today. Kind of a weird day. Lot to cover. So, I got a package Friday from a company called from a company called Ramen Hero. And what you can do is you can order ramen overnighted to you, and then you make it at home, and then you've got like a fancy bowl of ramen. So I'm gonna be doing these for the next 4 days. We got classic miso ramen we're starting out with. So what comes in the bag? Noodles. Broth. So this broth needs to sit in a pot of boiling water for 10 minutes, which is kind of like, oof. We got some, I guess this is seasoned ground beef, which is good with it. Some, what do you call it? Seaweed. Menma, pickled bamboo shoot. And finally, star of the show, chashu pork belly. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know how else to do it, but I gotta go put her down and stuff, and you gotta boil it in the pot for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let you skip out on that. And then it's got a cool, and it say use tongs. Well, I guess I asked my wife, it's like, where are the tongs? I looked everywhere. I turned all the drawers over. No tongs. So she had a good idea. Just like dump the whole pot in a strainer. I'm like, okay, I can do that. So yeah, next thing you'll see is after the stuff's been boiled and stuff. So don't go anywhere. Alright, so we are back. Now it's time to cook the noodles. 1.5 minutes to 2, I think it says. So that is what we will do. Let me look closely to make sure. 1.5 to 2. I like them soft. We'll do 2. I like soft things. I like things that are soft, palatable, like pudding. Whoa, don't even. Just dump her on in. And start the timer. And keep them separate. That's what I plan to do, and I don't want it to boil over. So I ended up, it worked out fine just to use a strainer to get this big pouch of broth out. And since I'm going to be using this sucker anyways, just gonna drop it in here and get it all ready to go. Tongs would be nice though. I understand the whole, I don't like to burn my fingers. Ouch, as it were. Broth smells good. Come on, don't boil over while I'm finagling the broth. There we go. And while I like this pot, I've got these pots that are different than my normal ones, and what happens is they retain heat better and they disperse it better, and when they start boiling over, they just kind of don't want to give it up. But it looks like we're doing okay today. I'm on track. I'm on task. So what's going on, everybody? We did a new route on our walk today. That was fun. Yeah. Yesterday was Easter. Went over to visit some family. We had ham and lamb and these neat little potatoes. And somebody, like, I guess they make like fancy professional cupcakes. And oh my God. Decided, it's a holiday. I'll be bad. And boy, being bad tasted good. Okay. So there's our noodles. There's our bowl. Noodles and bowl. Eventually, this will be a bigger place that you get to see every day. Eventually. And it'll be nice because this is a really cramped little kitchen. I mean, it's an apartment kitchen. If you've ever lived in an apartment or you currently are, you know what I'm talking about. So let's get Rotato in on the action. Hello, Rotato. How are you today? I trust you had an enjoyable Easter sitting on top of the refrigerator. So here are the noodles. Make sure you can see everything going down. There you go. Here comes the broth. So this is miso. I'm just gonna try it straight like this before any of the extras. This is made in the Bay Area. Yay. I like the Bay Area. That's where my wife is from. Well, that tastes delicious. Okay, so we've got like a whole lot of different toppings to do. We've got a pouch of menma. Which is tasty and good and wonderful and fun. Maybe we can get that looking a little better. I don't know. And we got, we'll do that last. We got this stuff. It's some kind of ground beef concoction dealy deal thing that should go good with it. I'm gonna put that right over here. There we go. That look, and then we've got our chashu, poke belly chashu. I love that. That's fun. Put you right here. And then we've got this here seaweed, and I'm really unsure of the correct method. Maybe one of you guys can like enlighten me. Seaweed always just kind of wants to hug the side of the bowl and then just kind of melt on in and bendy and get weird, and I just don't know exactly how to combat that. You know, it kind of like folds around. Cool, this is the printed stuff. Check that out. I've always wanted to work with this, so thank you to Ramen Hero for shooting some of this over. I've got some stuff that I'm adding in myself. The way I see it, if you're gonna have miso, you need some corn. A little bit of corniness here. I like corn. We've got corn. Drop a pile of spring onion. Gotta have my bean sprouts. And I hope nobody has a cow about this, but I got my egg. And these are gonna be interesting. Hopefully they worked out good. Yeah, I think they did. Good. Okay, so here, where do you want to go, Mr. Eggy Wig? Maybe next to the meat? Right about there? Where'd our spoon go? Spoon! Spoon! I don't know where our spoon went. Oh, it's in the corn. Sorry, corn. Your little friend has to leave for a little bit. That's not bad. These are extra large eggs. They're not jumbos like I usually use, so kind of went a little different. That looks all right. And then we need this that I hope stays. Is it one sheet or two? Just one. Okay, now don't. Yeah, I think that'll work like that. Okay, so let's do some rotato action. I think it's gonna have to back up a little bit because of that. But yeah, here we go. Do we need anything else? Alright, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Go to ramenhero.com if you want to check this out later.